Thousands of people around the world suffer from alopecia, or hair loss. Others suffer from slow hair growth, or fine, brittle hair. One homemade remedy for this problem is onion juice. You first have to extract the juice from a few onions and then apply this liquid to your scalp with a gentle massage. It's as simple as that. How to extract the juice. In this tutorial I will share how to make onion juice with juicer and also with blender. So it will help you if you only have a blender, or also you only have a juicer. Let's start the tutorial. How to make onion juice with juicer. Ingredient: 2 to 3 medium-size onions, a sharp knife, a juicer, a medium-sized glass jar. Instructions. Start the process by peeling off an onion. Place the peeled onion in the sink under running water to rinse it. This step will help you clean the vegetable properly by getting rid of all types of dirt and flecks of skin. Take a fresh paper towel and pat the onion dry. Cut the dried onion into end-to-end quarters using a sharp knife. Now, put an onion quarter inside the chute of the juicer and turn the device on. It will smash the vegetable by putting force on it and extract the juice completely. Juice up the other quarters one by one in the same manner. Once you are done with juicing the entire onion, clean and wash your juicer properly. You may also have to dip the device in hot lathered water as well as scrub it for quite a few minutes to get rid of the strong, long-lasting aroma of the vegetable. Collect the fresh juice and transfer it to a glass jar for further use. For the next tutorial, I will show you how to make onion with blender. Ingredient: 2 to 3 medium-size onions, a sharp knife, a blender, a strainer, a piece of cheesecloth, a medium-sized glass jar. Instructions. Use a sharp serrated knife to rough chop the onion into medium pieces. Use a medium-high to high speed and blend the chopped onion for about 2 minutes. Lay a piece of cheesecloth inside the strainer. Transfer the onion from the blender into the center of the cheesecloth. Press the pulp using a spoon or rubber spatula until you no longer see juice dripping out from the bottom of the strainer. Transfer it to a glass jar for further use.